Crypto investing and trading as easy as 1, 2, 3. All right, so you may want to grab a pen and a paper, or you might just want to take a couple of screenshots, or you might just want to listen. Are you up currently on what's going on with Bitcoin and digital assets? If either way is okay, I'm just sharing with you what's possible, right? So if you're this is perfect if you are actually a beginner, if you're just kind of learning and seeing what is crypto, what is Bitcoin. Well, the number one thing is I'm sharing with you like stuff you see on the screen. This is a program called Levels, and it's actually tracking the asset Bitcoin. And the time frame, you can actually look at these coins or whatever, you can look at them on different time frames. I currently have this particular strategy set on the 30-minute time frame. And I'm going to do a volume check and have laid out a resistance and a support. So what is a resistance support? Well, traders, for one, it's good to know what you are. Would you consider yourself, let me ask you this, would you consider yourself an investor or a trader? Yeah, fine works. So would you consider yourself an investor or a trader? Or I consider myself both. I like to trade. I'm a day trader. There's basically a few different ways you can trade these things. And I just enjoy testing the limits and just kind of seeing what I like. And scalp trading is basically one form of trading, which is basically on the short term. Could be minutes, could be hours. A swing trade could actually be a few days, it could be a few weeks. And a position trade is you can buy it and be holding it for the long term. So I'm personally doing all these areas. I'm investing for the long term, and I'm trading on the short term. So just trying to make the most. And actually, before I got into crypto, learning how to make the most of this category, work for my benefit, for profits. I've always just been on a quest for it. And so that's kind of what I feel like led me to the IM Academy. So first, let me share with you why the IM Academy is a good place for you to consider being a subscriber, right? So I'm going to tell you, and then I'm going to show you. We basically have an easy 1, 2, 3 system. We have number one, we have pre-recorded courses that get you caught up on what's currently going on. In every industry, there's basically certain lingo and certain phrases and certain words used and stuff like that. Well, no different than cryptocurrency, stocks, financial markets. So we have 2 hours of, I'm going to show you, 2 hours of material under stocks and crypto course, if this is your course. And we have other courses too, but this is a really popular course right now, this one in foreign exchange. But stocks and crypto, this first 2 hours, this is just going to get you caught up on what's currently going on. What's the lingo? What does this mean? What's this and what's that? It's going to kind of get you caught up on the, like you get familiar with your surroundings, right? Okay. Then number 2, we have live mentorship. So we have 5 different academies right now, but let's go inside of stocks and crypto, the yellow one, stocks and crypto. We're going to go inside of there. Now we have over 60 different educators that come on Sunday through Saturday, and it'll show up in your time frame. So whether you live on the East Coast of USA, the West Coast, Canada, Europe, Australia, wherever you live, it'll show up in your time zone, and you can jump on live, and you can actually ask these teachers and educators live questions right on the live. And that's what's beautiful about that, is a lot of times you can get very specific questions addressed on a live And that's amazing. Now, I'm not going to get into other types of academies like on YouTube and stuff, but you might have, a lot of times you have one or two educators and they have their own little academy. We have over 60 different educators, all for the price of just being in one academy. You get so much value for your membership. So live mentorship. So pre-recorded courses, live mentorship. And then also too, now we have strategies. We have well over 10 different artificial intelligent driven strategies to help us track the market. And I'm going to wrap it up with this because I have a Zoom on the hour. But I wanted to get in this, and I may come back later when I have more leisure. I'd like to look up more assets, and if you're interested in that, just put a 1 inside the chat if you're interested in looking at other assets. I have a lot of assets I'd like to look up because there's thousands of different assets. So anyway, but Levels is one AI-driven strategy. As a member of the Academy, you'll have access, and it helps you track different assets, not just Bitcoin, different assets. Swipecoin, this is more, I feel like this is more for the scalp trader, right? But sometimes I use these things together. Like I use this is a look at Bitcoin on the 15-minute time frame. This is a look at Bitcoin on the 30-minute time frame. So I'll kind of go sometimes back and forth and get my own kind of observations. I am in a scalp trade. I bought some at support down here where it says at support. So that's the thing is once you know where your support and your resistance is, you can program your trades to be at support or at resistance. And so whenever it hits these things, it automatically triggers. It's simple, but it's not easy. It is very simple. It's just a matter of pushing a few buttons, but it's not easy because a lot of people don't succeed at this. But once you learn from the pre-recorded courses, the live mentorship that we have, and then you have you're using your tools, you're going to be successful. You're going to have success. So this is I'm going to leave this with this. This is a Swipecoin on the 15-minute time frame, and I'm waiting to see what happens. I'm kind of hoping I have a resistance zone right there in the middle, and then I have another resistance zone above that. So I'm hoping that would push up. We'll see. I'm okay either way, but I'm just we react as traders. We're kind of just we go with what we're given. We're not creating the market. We're just we react with what we're given, and so that's part of the fun about it. That's part of the challenge, right? But that's the thing. Sometimes it goes against you. But that's the thing. If you can, we have a group in our club called the Masters Club, and I've been in it several weeks, not every week, but where you have 70% of your winning trades. So out of 100% of all your trades, you win 70% of the time. That is a winning trader. So that's what I'm going for. And I have goals for that. But anyway, that's scalp trading, day trading, right? And that may or may not be for you. But then there's buy and hold for the long term, build a portfolio. And I feel like that is for a lot of people. So, building your own portfolio. And so with that in mind, I'll leave us with Curtis Cobain right here. If you decide to jump on with us, go to his and become a member of the Academy. Consider joining his Portfolio Watch class, and he'll help you build out a portfolio. And so it's very exciting to build out your own portfolio. Anyway, I have to go. I got a Zoom to jump on. I appreciate your time and your energy. And remember, health is wealth. Without our health, what does it matter? It doesn't matter what earthly possessions we have. Without our health, health is wealth, right? Health is wealth. And we're grateful, and I'm grateful for my health. And I pray for you to have good health. Health is wealth. Cash flow is king. Remember how we used to say cash is king? Well, cash flow is king. Cash is queen, and credit is freedom. I'll leave you with that because I got to jump off, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.